In this tutorial, we are going to talk about joining a scheduled VR collaboration session and how the Late Join feature works in SimLab VR Viewer. There are 3 ways a user would receive an invitation to join a scheduled VR session: as a contact, through a link, or through a calendar ICS file. Let's start with joining as a contact. If you already have a SimLab account and the host of the collaboration session has you in his contact list, he can directly add your name to the list of invitees to the VR collaboration session, and upon scheduling a session you will receive an email with the scheduled session info. The email would contain the title of the scheduled event, the date, the time, and the name of the VR experience, if it was specified by the host. It will also include a link to view the invitation. Click View Invitation. The View Invitation will open a SimLab account page. Enter your SimLab account email address, then click Continue, then enter the password and click Continue again. Click on the Invitations tab at the top right corner. Here you will find a new item under Upcoming Sessions that has all the details of the scheduled session. Once the host starts the session, you can click Join Session to run SimLab VR Viewer and join the VR session in desktop mode or PC VR mode. In addition to clicking Join Session to start the session, you can join the scheduled session through the pop-up invitation that would appear in SimLab VR Viewer once the host starts the session. This method would enable you to join a scheduled VR session on mobile or standalone VR headsets, where an access to a web browser might not be available. The second method of joining a scheduled VR collaboration session is using a link. A host can use an invitation link that he can distribute through any communications mediums like an email or a messaging system. You can either click on the link the host has sent you or paste it in a web browser. Once you have done either, you will get to SimLab VR account page login. Type in your email address or log in with Google or Apple accounts. If you do not have a SimLab account, the page will ask you to type a password and a username to quickly create an account for you. Once you are done, the VR session page will show up, displaying the name of the host and the session, as well as the date and time of the scheduled VR collaboration session and a countdown to the time of the collaboration session. Once the host starts the session, you can click Join Session to run SimLab VR Viewer and join the VR collaboration session. Alternatively, you can click Add to Calendar, which would add this event to your invitations under Upcoming Sessions. And now that this scheduled session has been added to your invitations list, you can either click Join Session to join the collaboration experience in desktop mode or PC VR mode, or you can log in with your SimLab account on a standalone VR headset or a mobile device and you will receive a notification within SimLab VR Viewer that allows you to join the session, similar to the case as if you were a contact that we talked about earlier. The third possible scenario of getting invited to a scheduled VR collaboration session is receiving a calendar invitation directly from the host through any file communication medium. In this case, we are showing an example of a calendar invitation through email. Upon opening the email, you will find a calendar prompt with the event's detail, which you can add to your calendar. And once you open that calendar event, you will find an invitation link, which you can click and follow up, similar to the link method we talked about earlier. The last thing we want to talk about is the Late Join feature. This feature enables users to join the VR collaboration session even if the session is already in progress, or in case they quit during the session and want to rejoin the session again. In this example, I have joined a VR collaboration session and the session has started. After a few seconds, I'm going to leave the session. Notice that in the bottom left corner under Recent Notifications there is an item with the host's name as well as a green icon, indicating that the VR collaboration session is still active. And upon clicking that item, a collaborative experience invitation will pop up, and you can click Join to enter the VR collaboration lobby. Once the model is loaded on your computer, you will automatically join the VR collaboration session. With these flexible invitation methods and the late join feature, you can access your collaborative projects from any device. Whether joining from the start or reconnecting to an active meeting, SimLab VR Viewer keeps your workflow uninterrupted and your team synchronized in a shared virtual space.